factorize this particular expression. So basically we are trying to write this as product of few terms, is it not? Now we are looking at a cube minus particular cube and all of that, right? This is not a cube, but this is a cube. So what is that we are looking at? We are looking at some identity, obviously, but what identity first thing? And the next question is, this is not a cube of anything, is it not? Well, as of now it doesn't look like it, but let's identify the identity. So what identity are we looking at? So clearly this is not part of your list because it's not a cube and stuff. This is too big to even map. So it's either this or this. So which is the right one? Yes, clearly it is the second one, is it not? It's not a plus b the whole cube. It is a cube plus b cube. Many people get confused. It's either a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. Actually, I forgot. Yeah, it's minus. Whole cube is not the same as cube of individual terms. So here we're looking at minus. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That's the identity. So the identity is a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, and now we have to figure out, see, a cube is very clear. B cube, this term has weird things. 2 root 2 b cube. How do you handle this? So for this we need to go back to this list of things. Root of something is a to the power of half. Let's go with that. So let me just pick up your 2 root 2. See, b cube is very clear, that's not an issue. So 2 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of half. Same base, right? Same base with different power, we should add them. Or same power, doesn't matter. Whatever the power may be, we should add them. 1 plus half, which is nothing but LCM is to 3 by 2. Okay, right? So what does it mean? Right, it means square root of 2 whole cube. Do you agree? Because root of any term, right? Any term raised to power of anything, doesn't matter, can be written as a to the power of n by 2. Now we are looking at the opposite way. Now we are looking at this way, right? See, a small set of information, we are able to do all the questions. So understand the importance of this. Understand it, just don't memorize it, right? The whole point is not to memorize, it's for you guys to understand. So end of it, I am able to write 2 root 2 as root 2 the whole cube. You need not write so much. For now, you need to understand it. Yes, in the exam, you can directly write 2 root 2 as root 2 the whole cube. Okay, that's one more bit of information. So end of it, your solution would look like this. A cube minus root 2 the whole cube into b cube, which can further be written as what? A cube minus, actually I should have done it separate thing. Let me not do this. I want to do it systematically so that you guys learn systematically. Now, so this entire expression is nothing but root 2 the whole cube into b cube. Agree? Now, what should we do? Right? I want the whole cube because the formula deals with a cube minus b cube. So this I can rewrite it as root 2 into b the whole cube. Why? Using the formula a to the power of n into b to the power of n, which is ab whole to the power of n. Okay, and now we can talk about the solution. So solution is a cube minus root 2 b the whole cube. Okay, so since we have to write it as a product of stuff, so this we need to make, thus we need to make use of this particular formula, which tells that our a over here will be a is a itself, here a is a, while b is root 2b, and so we have the answer to be, okay, let me put this in brackets. So the final answer is, let me write it from here. Final answer is a minus 2 root 2b into a square plus a into root 2b plus root 2b the whole square, close the bracket. A bit of simplification and you have your final answer. This is the simplest form. We can't do much about this. Here this we can't do much. This we can rewrite it as root 2 into a into b. This would be what? Root 2b the whole square will be 2b square. If you want to understand, right, I'll make a small note over here. Root 2b the whole square as per this formula will be what? Root 2 square into b square. And we know that root and square will get cancelled. Why? This will be 2b square. Right? Sorry, I didn't explain why. I just jump on to the answer. Why will root and 2 get cancelled? Because root is nothing but raised to the power of half. So in place of n, if I had 2 over here, in place of 6, if I had 2 over here, what will happen? 2 divided by 2 will be 1. Is it not? So we can cancel directly. Cancellation means it is 1. Okay, it's not 0. It is 2 to the power of 1. So basically 2 itself. Okay, guys. Right? So I hope you guys understood a lot of exponential part also. If you've done the first chapter wherein we have done such questions, such roots and all of that, this will make sense. It will be easy. So learn systematically. This chapter and the previous chapter, number system and all of that, exponents and all of that, they are interconnected clearly. So you have to learn exponent first, then deal with number system, and then come on to this particular topic. Okay, so you can pause and have a look.